Hello viewers. Welcome to my channel. Today I bring you top 3 kitchen gadgets, which are very awesome. These gadgets will save your precious time. Each product link is provided in the video description box. Donut Maker. Get creative with the Dash Express Mini Donut Maker. Make cute, tasty mini donuts at home in no time, perfect for snacking, entertaining and more. Just plug it in, add your choice of batter, and you're ready to cook. Dual surfaces heat evenly for consistent, delicious results, and the non-stick coating makes cleanup a breeze. Mini donuts can be frosted, glazed and decorated for a fun-filled project the whole family will love. Egg Cooker. Make soft, medium, and hard-boiled eggs in 12 minutes or less. The rapid egg cooker can boil up to 6 eggs at a time. Poaches up to 2 eggs with a separate poaching tray. The timer clicks and the light turns off when cooking is complete. Quick and simple, it makes cooking eggs so much easier. The rapid egg cooker comes with an on/off button, poaching tray, hard-boiled tray for 6 eggs, plastic base, BPA-free plastic egg holders for hard-boiled, non-stick tray for poached eggs, measuring cup, plastic lid. Salad Spinner. The Cuisinart Salad Spinner allows you to wash and dry salad greens, fruits, and vegetables without removing the spinner lid. Add and drain water through the opening on top. Turn the handle to spin the basket and press the brake button to instantly stop the spinning action. Quick, easy, dishwasher safe, and countertop stay dry, it is backed by a lifetime warranty, guaranteeing long-lasting performance and customer satisfaction.